have really nice weather today. This is my little patio. I've got solar lights. It was, I don't know, 78 today. And it's been really nice to have the screen door open. The girls ran out a few times. We have a little field mouse family here. And some cat killed a bird and took out the heart and left the carcass right on top of the field mouse home as a gift. I don't know why, but it wasn't my cats who did it. So what I'm going to do is transform the patio, and I'm starting with just a few things. In Luciferianism, we do practice nature-based religion. Still, we put the elements, representation of the elements on our altar. And I think, this is just what I've been missing. This is what I need, and it's going to help to regenerate me. So I'm going to take some photos and probably do a voiceover. Okay, this is the rug I got at Walmart. It's an outdoor rug. There's a pillow from Better Homes and Gardens. And then another pillow there for $5. It's going to fit the space nicely. I kind of measured. Better Homes and Gardens, 5x7. Black and white. It almost covers the space entirely. This is a tabletop torch light. $7. Starting to shape up. This is the little tabletop tiki torch I got. It took me a while to learn about these. I kept looking for DIYs. Then I discovered that they already exist. This one is very solid. Very heavy. For $7 at Walmart. And it's got the rubber things on the bottom. And this holds the gasoline, the tiki torch gasoline, which stinks. And that side over there is not done. I had to cover where I spilt it with that old rug for me and for the cats to come out. But this would cover when I'm done, which is nice. The $5 one was glass, and since the cats have already broken the glass vase I had here with a candle in it, plus it gets wicked windy out here. It just really does. Whoa. Well, I don't think I can make the wick go down any further. Yeah, I can. All right, let's try that. As you can see over here, I've got a potted plant I got, I think at the Dollar Tree or Walmart for a couple dollars. Tomato trellis at the Dollar Tree, which I do not understand how to use. If you understand this thing, would you leave me a link? My garden stuff is here, which that can get literally blown away. It gets so windy out here. And there's my tiki torch gasoline. So let's see here with a lower wick. All right. That's still pretty wild. Put that in there. Yeah, I think it's too high. It's still too high. You cover it. My friend brought me, she asked, do you want anything? I took her, it just happened to work out that she got up while I was leaving. And she needed to go to Walmart, so we went. And we stopped at a gas station, and she said, do you want anything? I said, do they have like Powerade? And she brought back this thing, and I said, what's that, Pedialyte for old people? She showed me, and this is Gator Light. It's a new product. So that's good. That's another way to make sure you get your electrolytes and you get hydrated. All right, let's make this thing go down lower. Okay, that's better. Yeah, that's better. Still smoking though. You see how windy it is? This is really nothing for how windy it gets over here. That's why nobody has anything on their patio. The people who do have an umbrella, I'm sure it's been turned inside out a few times. Oh, wow, look at that. I don't know what I'm going to have to get here to try to block the wind. I've got this. So, I mean, I've got a lot that I have to really do. My neighbor has a solar lantern, and it looks like a fire. And it hangs on a... It's in the ground, and then it has a hook, and it just hangs there. So that's like there. If I got one of those down there, that could be like my fireplace, you know. Dadgummit. This is frustrating. I'm sure I'd have trouble with the fire pit too. So if I could put something taller that would block the wind, and maybe later at night it wouldn't be so bad. But this is what would really help to regenerate me. Being outside after 5 months of winter, like I was last summer, you know, looking up at the stars and breathing in the night air. I'll just have to lay on the ground with some pillows for now until I get the sofa bed thingy, lounge chair that I want to go behind me. This is really smoky. I don't know why. Let me see here. If it's not one thing, it's another. Don't know that I'm going to make a margarita because I'm feeling so weak. I'm taking 2 allergy pills a day and might actually have to go to the doctor and see about getting some type of I don't know. If I can get myself hydrated and take those 2 allergy pills a day, yeah, that's further down. Might be a little bit better. When I had my mobile home back in 2015, it was really nice in the summer. The whole month of June and July. Then it started to, or was it May and June, and then in July it got hot. But for some reason after that, we had crazy weather, and I couldn't sit outside because there was mosquitoes, you know, or some kind of gnats and humidity, and at night sometimes I could go out, sometimes for a few hours, which I'll probably do here later. And then all my solar lights will come on. And I'm going to have to get some type of a 2-tiered plant stand so that I can grow my vegetables. I've had to grow a lot of them in pots. I used to have my garden in the ground. Then I got these little gate things, plastic gate things at Dollar Tree. They have them at Walmart. And that thing over there has to be hung and have some fake flowers put in it. So this will be really nice. I gotta make some kind of I gotta get a cat collar, and then I can put one of the cats on a leash. They hate the harness, so the harness is not going to, that's got to go back to Megan. And then I'll put a cat collar with the leash for them, just to be on the patio with a leash. I had a lady come with a dog this morning, and Jade ran out, and I didn't pick her up right away. And then the lady came with her dog, and I had picked Jade up, but she was like She said to her dog, "Oh, we can't go there. Come on, we're not going there." And I was taking Jade into the house, so there's a couple of people deathly afraid of cats over here. I'm probably the only one who lets the cats out. That's just the way I am. For God's sakes, they need fresh air and sunshine too. But I can't let them run free because they won't find the way home. You know, they could get hit or whatever in a fight. But yeah, this way Bass could be out. And she stopped scratching on the screens and making holes to get out and run away. As long as I could let her out. Of course, in the winter, you know, and open the door, she's like, ah, never mind. So we'll see how I am with this tonight, and I'll show you the picture when it gets nighttime. Okay, I made a little cat collar out of jute string. I braided it, tied it at a knot at the end, and then double tied it at the end, and then attached the leash. So Jade's out here on a little trial. And this is it for the moment. Okay, everyone, this is it for now. Has anybody noticed the colors like my altar? There's the black and white rug for balance, like a black and white candle, and the blue for you know who. And no diamond. So all my solar lights. Let me come over here. Okay, all right. So there it is. So pretty soon, hopefully I'm going to have a really nice kind of a daybed lounge thing back there. And then that chair will be over here. So I'll have a conversation area. And then I'll either use that for coffee table or get some type of a little coffee table. And then over here my friend is actually going to buy, she said she's buying me a little patio set. Oh, she's calling right now. See you later. I am crying. I've been laughing so hard. The wind keeps putting my little torchlight out. It's nice to have this open, you know. The screen's closed, the patio door's open. I can kind of like having the open concept, right? Where you have your outdoor space that flows. My neighbor has that with his solar lanterns that look like fire. And so they're probably sitting in the living room, but they can still enjoy the appearance of the patio. I kept trying to light the torch, and I can't because of the wind. And I was sitting here telling my friend, and I'm just laughing so hard. One day I saw my neighbor's patio table just sliding across the patio to the other side. And then the glass insert just lifted up and flew like a magic carpet and gently laid down on the patio. I don't know how it didn't break because it was obviously a very thin glass. And then the chair went toppling out to the street, and then the cover for the barbecue thing flew up like a balloon and it came down. That's how windy it is out here. And the poopy bag receptacle thing here has a lid that just keeps going boom, boom, boom all day long. So anyway, oh my God, I needed that laugh.